Hello, you can go with us? You go to Nashville with us, buddy?
What's up? We're loading up to head to Nashville to eat and be tourists. Even though we've been there many times before, we'll see you when we get there.
We're going to Nashville.
We're going to Nashville.
We are here. Look at that hat. What are you grabbing?
It's free.
Okay, so they told us it was a city view.
It's kind of the city. It's that part of the city. That one building.
It's a little bridge.
That one city building. I guess I don't even ask. You never know. The city.
What a view.
Oh, yeah, you're killing it. Yep. Twirl. Nailed it, twirl. Nailed it. Backflip. Front Peter. Go. Oh. First night in Nashville, we're going to eat.
We're going to the distillery. That's what it's called.
The or this?
The distillery.
Really good. This. It's called the fried part. You want me to watch you choose?
No.
Alright, go to your favorite local place right here.
Not that we didn't eat enough at dinner.
I skipped dinner. It is 1,000 degrees.
That's pretty hot.
We're walking on a bridge, and then we're going to Groom Guitars, and then we're going to Carter's Vintage Guitars.
What guitar place are we going to, babe?
I think it's called Grooms. It's called Grooms.
Okay. Where are we at?
We're at Groom Guitars. We're waiting outside for to be let in because we want to take appointments. So probably can't film inside because of that, but just know there's stuff in here we can't afford. So send us money at paypal.com/. Seriously, paypal.com/thelastofhope.
want Jonah on there?
I do not see a cat big enough to be on there.
Okay. Second guitar store of the day.
Yeah, this time we're only gonna spend 30,000. So the last one we spent 20,000. Once again, that's PayPal.com.
We're gonna come home with this guitar.
You really like denim, don't you?
Yes. Is that Chucky? Or isn't that his name? From the Rugrats.
Yes. I don't like that at all. I think people wear them like this.
I tend to almost always run into them if they're there.
Out here on Broadway. It's loud. We just needed some
I'm going
candy.
to die. It's the trip of calories.
Actually, though, it's worth it.
Huh?
Isn't it? Today's thrift store haul, we bought one thing. Right, babe?
I bought nothing.
Yeah, he did buy nothing.
Coming for you. If you are under the age of 26 on your parents' coverage, they're coming for you.
We are headed to the Frothy Monkey and the Nashville sign because he loves taking pictures of me. Yeah.
Good thing to do. We're gonna go Franklin. Go to the factory. You ready for your big debut?
I am.
This is the part where you get to truly believe in Nashville.
Bill.
You guys know what that blue wall is.
Ready for my
You know
photo
what this. You know what this outfit is. This is the "We Believe in Nashville."
Out of control.
Welcome to the factory. Alright, this time, just keep it on the low.
I'm really thinking we might need one of these.
What's up, my friends? We are getting ready to leave our hotel in downtown Nashville and we're heading south, like towards Franklin. We're gonna have lunch with Mark Lee Townsend, producer of The Lasting Hope, but more importantly, Reliant K, a bunch of guys like that. We're just gonna catch up, and then we're heading to our first ever conference that we're gonna lead worship at.
Woo. Yay.
And we will catch you there. Beep beep.